Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're fine today. Welcome back to our classes. Okay, in the last session we talked about trigonometry formulae and table and tricks to remember those formulae and table. Okay, now we use those formulae and table to solve all the problems in the trigonometry. Okay, let's start. Okay, see 10th Maths SSC 11th chapter trigonometry textbook questions. Exercise 11.1. See, first question. In a right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 70 centimeters are the length of AB, BC, CA respectively. Then find out sin A, cos A and tan A. Let's solve it. Okay. So I am solving. This 11th chapter trigonometry. Exercise 11.1. See, first question. We said a right angle triangle ABC. 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 70 centimeters of the length of AB, BC and CA. Okay, respectively. Okay, ABC, let's say 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters. Log side is 17 centimeters. Okay, then find sin A, cos A and tan A. Fine. Okay, let's find it. Okay, first A means consider theta here, then sin A, opposite side by hypotenuse. Centimeter gets cancelled. Its answer is 15 by 17. Okay, then cos A, adjacent by hypotenuse, means 8 by 17. Then tan A, it's opposite by adjacent. Okay, simply second solution. The sides of a right angle triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 7 centimeters. Here in the textbook given QR, just replace it with PR. PR correct. Angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. Then find here also given tan Q, it's tan B. Replace it tan B minus tan R. Okay. Sides of a right angle triangle PQ is equal to 7 centimeters. PR is equal to 25 centimeters. Just always draw a rough diagram, then you can find very easily. P, Q, R, Q at 90 degrees. Okay. PQ is equal to, then PQ is equal to 7 centimeters they given, and QR is equal to 25 centimeters they given. Sorry, PR we should remember. It's given wrong. Then here 7, here X we should find. Just remember it as X. We don't know. RQ is equal to X. If RQ is equal to X, according to Pythagoras theorem, opposite square plus adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square. X square plus 49 is equal to 625. Say if you want to add 625 minus 49, it's x square is equal to 576. Then x is equal to 24. If x is equal to 24, RQ is equal to same 24, because x is equal to RQ. Okay, here it is 24 centimeters. Then we can find easily what they want to find, tan P minus tan R. Here we should find tan P minus tan R. Tan P, opposite x by adjacent. X means 24 by 7. Tan B is equal to 24 by 7. And tan R is equal to 7 by 24. Then we should do tan P minus tan R is equal to 24 by 7 minus 7 by 24. Just simplify it. I will simplify. See, 24 by 7 minus 7 by 24. It implies 24 square minus 7 square by 7 into 24. Just cross multiply, means LCM. 24 square is 576 minus 49 by 7 into 24. 29 is 527 but 7 into 24 is 168. If we divide these two, we should get 3.13 units. Okay. In this way, simply first draw a rough diagram PQR. It's given wrongly QR. Just replace it PR 25 units. You should find the opposite value and tan P minus tan R. Find and just multiply and just subtract it. We'll get the answer. Okay. Next question. See. Next question is in a right angle triangle ABC with right angle at B. First, as per the information, we draw a rough diagram. You will get the answer very easily. In a right angle triangle ABC, that's it. And right angle at B, that's it. A is equal to 24 units. A means capital A. Its opposite side is small a, length 24 units. It's B. Its opposite length is small b. It's 25 units. Then C. Its opposite length is small c. And they should find here B, A, C. Here find theta. Then find cos theta and tan theta. So here we go. Here A, B, C. Its opposite side is small length A. It's given 24. It's B. Opposite length B. It's given 25. And it's C. We should find this theta. B, A, C. Theta. Okay. Then find cos theta and tan theta. Okay. Here 25. Here 24. Here 25. Here 7. In the previous problem we learned. Then cos theta. Cos theta. Here theta. Adjacent by hypotenuse means 7 by 25. Then should find tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. In this way, simply. Okay, divide this one just. Okay, next question. Next question is if cos A is equal to 12 by 3, then find sin A and tan A. Given. If you write given, you will get a half mark. Just always write given in the exam. You will get simply half mark. Given. What the given? Cos A is equal to the given 12 by 13. Then we should find sin A and tan A. Equal to question. See, given cos A. Just draw a rough diagram according to. Here, what I will say, always draw a rough diagram for easy understanding. Cos A, B, C, let's say. Cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse. And you can find this value. Here, it's x. According to Pythagoras theorem. X square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. X square plus 12 square 144 is equal to 169. Here, x square is equal to 169 minus 144. Here it's x square is equal to 25. X is equal to root 25. Means 5 units. Okay, x is equal to 5 means BC is equal to 5. Then we can easily find sin A. Sin either A, here A. Opposite 5 by 13. Opposite by hypotenuse. Then you can find tan A. Opposite by adjacent 5 by 2. Okay, this one. Next question. If 3 tan A is equal to 4, then find sin A and tan A. Given 3 tan A is equal to 4. Fifth solution. Given 3 tan A is equal to 4. Here tan A becomes, here multiplication tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Just draw a rough diagram according to tan A. Here let's say ABC. Tan means opposite by adjacent. Here 4, 3. Here means 5. Pythagorean triplets. Okay. What we should find? Find sin A and tan A. Okay. We can easily find sin A. Here theta. What is a? We should consider theta there. Okay. Sin A. Opposite by hypotenuse. 4 by 5. Then we should find sin A and tan A. Tan A already there. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Or if they want cos A also, then find cos A adjacent by hypotenuse 3 by 5 in this way. Next question. Okay, let's see the next question. Next question is, if the angle A is equal to angle X, angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X. Then show angle A is equal to angle X. Let's see. What they given, angle A and angle X are acute angles, means less than 90 degrees. Cos A is equal to cos X they given. Then we should show angle A is equal to angle X. Just see. We should find now. Doing the sixth solution. Okay. Angle A and angle X are acute angles. Angle symbol means less than 90 degrees. See, in a right angle triangle, if one angle is equal to 90 degrees, then it's angle A, it's angle X. These both are less than 90 degrees because according to angle sum property, angle A plus 90 degrees plus angle X is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, these two are acute angles. Okay, I'm drawing one more. Angle A, angle X, and here 90 degrees. Okay, then the given angle A, angle X. Okay, now the given cos A is equal to cos X. This is important. This is the link, you can say. Main thing. Cos A is equal to key. Cos A is equal to cos X. Then let's say this is A, this is X, means length, and this is X, Z, we can say. Okay, cos A adjacent by hypotenuse. Then cos A, then cos X, means adjacent by hypotenuse, A by Z. But they given cos A is equal to cos X, means X by Z is equal to A by Z. Z cancel. What we got? X is equal to A, means this length and this length is 1. If opposite length are equal, then angles are equal. This and this length are equal, then this angle and this angle are equal. You can say angle A is equal to angle H. Hence shown or hence proved. Hence shown, you can say. See what they given in question, that only we should write. Show that given, hence shown. If prove, then it's proved. Okay. Next question. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, then evaluate. First one, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Second one, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. First we should do 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Okay. So next question. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. If you write given, I'm telling more and more many times. If you write given, you will get half mark. See, cos theta is equal to cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Rough diagram. Okay, cot theta. If you consider theta here, 7 by 8 means cot means adjacent by opposite. Here it is x. Okay. What we should find? Evaluate sin theta. Okay. Just find first case. 7 square plus 8 square is equal to x square. Okay. 7 square is 49, x square is 64 is equal to x square. X square is equal to 49 plus 64. 49 plus 64 is 113. X is equal to root 113. Root 113 is not a perfect square, let it be. Okay, here is root 113. Okay, now what we should find? 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, just 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Okay, first write sin theta. What is sin theta in this? Opposite by hypotenuse, 8 by root 113. Then cos theta we write. Cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse, 7 by root 113. Just an answer. Substitute in this. 1 plus sin theta means 8 by root 113. Bracket of 1 minus 8 by root 113. See, I will simplify very easily. Just don't make it tough. Trigonometry you can solve anyway. Don't make it tough. Just think and solve. Cos theta 7 by root 113. Array, we got root. How can we solve? Don't think in that way. I will see. Just I will say now. Minus root 113. Just see root 113, root 113, root 113, root 113. Just first cross multiply. Root 113 plus 8 by root 113 into 1 minus means root 113 minus 8 by root 113. LCM down also. Root 113 plus 7 by root 113 into root 113 minus 7 by root 113. Okay. See root 113, root 113, root 113, root 113. Cancel. Okay. Now what we get? Root 113 plus 8 into root 113 minus 8 by root 113 plus 7 root 113 minus 8. See here, what we got? Root 113 plus 8 into root 113 minus 8 by root 113 plus 7 into root 113 minus 7. Okay, how is it? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, root 113 whole square minus 8 square. Down also, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 113 minus 7 square. This way, root square cancel. Okay, 113 minus 64, 113 minus 49. Here we will get 49 by 64 or 7 square by 8 square or 7 by 8 square or up to this we can, or 7 by 8 means what? Cot theta. If they given, prove this value is equal to this much, this value is equal to something value. If they are given, prove 7 by 8 is 8 whole square. 7 by 8 means cot theta, or you can say cot square theta in this way. Okay. See the second one in the 7. What we should find? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. 8th solution. 8th solution. Given we are also same. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. We should find sin plus sin theta by cos theta. Now we know what is sin theta. What is sin theta? 8 by root 113. What is cos theta? 7 by root 113. 1 plus 8 by root 113 by 7 by root 113. Simply again. LCM by root 113 by 7 by root 113. Root 113, root 113 gets cancelled. Here we can get root 113 plus 8 by 7. Here it's the answer. Or if you want to simplify, find the value of root 113. It is nearly 10 point something plus 8 by 7. If you want to perfect, 10 10 is 100, 11 11 is 121, 10.5 something it will be. Okay, 18.5 by 7, 7 2 is 40, that's 4, 45, 7 by 35, 2.5 something, it's approximately 3. Okay, and this approximate value. Okay, next we see the next question. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A is equal to root 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Okay. Given right angle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A is equal to root 3. I said in last video how to remember all the values, table trick. If you remember the table, you can do this problem very easily. Okay, let's solution. Right angle triangle, the diagram is mainly important. A, B, C, right angle is at B is the side. Tan A is equal to root 3 the given. Simply. In tan, when will root 3 will come at 60 degrees? Means A is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, simply A is equal to 60 degrees. Here 180 means here 30 degrees. Simply A is equal to 60, C is equal to 30, and D is equal to 90. Okay, what should find the value of first solution? Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Simply C. Okay, first write sin A. What is the value of sin A? Means sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Then cos C means here 30. Cos C is means cos 30 root 3 by 2. Then cos A we should find. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then sin C. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. In this one. Okay. Now I am simplifying here. We should find sin A cos C. Sin A is root 3 by 2. Cos C is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Plus cos A is 1 by 2. Into sin C is 1 by 2. Okay, root 3 into root 3 means 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Here is 4 by 4 means sin 90 also you can say. Second, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. We know cos A 1 by 2. Cos C root 3 by 2 minus sin A root 3 by 2 sin C 1 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. It's same value 0. Okay, next here it's end of 11.1. Okay, let's move on to the exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. Okay, now we will continue. Quick. Okay, evaluate first solution. It all mainly depends on trigonometric table. I said in the last video about tricks to remember trigonometric table and the formula. Just watch that video. I will give link in the description. Sin 45. If you didn't know, sin 45 means 1 by root 2. Then cos 45 means 1 by root 2. It's 2 into 1 by root 2. Root 2 times. Its answer is root 2. Okay, next. Cos 45 degrees by sec 30 degrees plus cosec 60 degrees. Should find. Okay, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sec 30. Don't, if you didn't remember sec 30, only remember cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sec means its inverse. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Then sec 30 is 2 by root 3. This one. Then cosec 60. Cosec inverse is sin. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Then cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. In this one. Next 1 by root 2. By 2 into 2 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4. Next root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4. Or 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2. If you want to do this one, root 3 by 16 into whole root. That's 3 by 16. So we get all in this one. Okay, next. What the value they given in this one? Okay, next solution. Sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosec 60 degrees. By sin square 30 degrees plus cos. Sorry. Oh, I just entered wrong. Here's sin square not. Cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus sec 30 degrees. Okay. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. Tan 45 1 minus cosec 60. If you didn't remember cosec, you remember sin. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Its inverse 2 by root 3. Then cot 45 1 plus cos 60 1 by 2 minus sec 60. If you didn't remember sec, you remember cos. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Its inverse 2 by root 3. See, 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 and same sec. That's answer is 1. Okay. Next solution. Here this question is 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees plus sin square 60 degrees. Okay. Here cos square 30, sin square 60. Okay. 2 into tan 45. Tan square means first write tan 45 1. It's square in this way. Plus cos square 30. Cos 30 is 1 by 2. It's a square. Plus sin 60 root 3 by 2 is a square. In this way. 2 into 1 square is 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Square root gets cancelled. 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 3. Okay, no? 2 tan square 45 cos square 30 minus, oh sorry, here it's minus. Okay, sorry, minus. Yes, no. Minus sin square 60. Okay, this 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 3. Okay, 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Minus 2 by 4. It's 8 minus 2 by 4 is 6 by 4. See, here it's minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. It's minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4. 2 plus minus 2 by 4. 2 minus 2 by 4. 4 to the 8. 8 minus 2 by 4. It's 6 by 4. It's 3 by 2. Okay. Next question. It's fifth one. 6 square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Okay, let's solve it. What are they given? 6 square. Just if you remember that trigonometric table, you can do all the problems. And if you remember from formulae, you can complete the trigonometric chapter simply. That's what I'm repeatedly telling. Watch that video if you didn't watch. If you watch, it's okay. Sec 60. If you didn't remember sec 60, just remember cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then its inverse sec 60 means 2 square minus tan square 60. Tan 60 is root 3 square by sin 30 is 1 by 2 square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. It implies 4 minus 3 square root gets cancelled minus 3 1 by 4 plus square root gets cancelled 3 by 4. 4 minus 3 is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 means 4 by 4 plus 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Answer 1. Okay. Means simply you can say 1 can be written in this form also. Okay. Second, choose the right option and justify your answer. Means here it's question, these are options. What the correct we should say. First just simplify the answer, then you can go to the options. Question, what they given? 2 tan 30 degrees plus 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. See, let's simplify. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 2 into 1 by root 3. Then 1 plus tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1. 1 square. Is 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 square is 2. Then 2 gets cancelled. It's 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. At which value 1 by root 3 will get? Tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Then answer is tan 30. It's option C. Then second question. Okay. 1 minus tan square 45 degrees plus 1 plus tan square 45. What will the value be? 1 minus tan square 45. Say 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. Here 1 minus tan square 45 degrees is 1. 1 minus tan square. 1 plus tan square 45. See, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Answer 0. Option D. Okay. Next, third. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. So into tan 30 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan square 30 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay, 2 by root 3 by square root gets cancelled, 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3 it's 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. Root 3 times 2 gets cancelled. The 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. 2 gets cancelled. Root 3 times. 1 by 3 means it's root 3. Root 3 when we get tan 60 degrees. Tan 60. That's option C. Root 3 is equal to tan 60. Okay. Then evaluate sin 60 cos 30. Sin 60 is into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. What is the value of sin 60 plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? This side. Okay. What the given? Evaluate sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Evaluate means find the value. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 1 by 2 cos 60 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 by 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4 it's 4 by 4 it's 1. Okay. What is the value of sin 60 plus 30? Sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. See, sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees 90 degrees. Sin 90 is 1. Okay. And sin 60 plus, what can you conclude? They said you can conclude sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 is equal to sin 90 is 1. Okay, next. See, is it right to say cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30? Let's check. Given cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. That's it. Given cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 cos 30. Cos 60 into cos 30 plus sin 60 into sin 30. Right or wrong? Yes, yes, yes. Cos 60 plus 30 90. Okay. Cos 60 1 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Sorry, this side minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. Same values, it's 0. Cos 90 also 0. Okay. Is it yes? It's right. You should say yes, it's right. Right to say cos 60 plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 into cos 30 plus sin 60 minus sin 60 into sin 30. And this way. Next question. In a right angle triangle PQR, right angle is that Q. PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. RPQ is equal to determine the length of QR and PR. Okay. And right angle triangle PQR this side. Just draw a rough diagram. You can find very easily. Always draw a rough diagram. Triangle PQR this side and right angle is that Q this side. PQR, let's say right angle is that, and this is PQ is equal to 60 centimeters given. RPQ angle is 60 degrees given. Determine the length of QR and PR. This we should find and this. Okay. See, if you want to find this, you have an angle, then you follow the rule of trigonometry. If you want to find this and you have this, you apply tan opposite by adjacent, tan 60. Tan 60 degrees is equal to R cube opposite by 6. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to R cube by 6. Then R cube is equal to 6 root 3. Okay, over. Then you have this and you should find hypotenuse. You know this 6 root 3 opposite by hypotenuse. Then you apply sin. sin 60 degrees is equal to 6 root 3 by PR. Then sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by PR. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. 6 to root 3 by root 3 gets cancelled. PR is equal to 6 into 2 and PR is equal to 2. Centimeter means centimeters, meter means meters. They given centimeter. It's centimeter. Okay, complete. Next question. In triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y. YZ is equal to X. XY is equal to 2X. Then determine the angle YXZ and YZX. Given right angle triangle. The right angle is at Y. Which of solution? 6. X, Y, Z, right angle. Right angle is at Y. YZ is equal to X. YZ is equal to X, they given. And XY is equal to 2X. And determine the angle YXZ. YXZ, it's theta 1, let's say. And YZX is theta 2. We should determine. Okay, opposite by adjacent we have now. Then you can find tan theta 1. X by 2X. Tan theta 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, tan theta 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Here in the tan we cannot get 1 by 2. In this case we should write theta 1 is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Or in the tan value we did not get 1 by 2 also we can write. Okay, we should determine tan theta 2. Then theta 2. Or tan theta 2, that's fine. Opposite by adjacent. 2x by x. It's tan theta 2 is equal to 2. Theta 2 is equal to tan inverse of this. Okay, next question. 6th. Next 7. Is it right to say sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b? Is it right or wrong? Just check and say. See, sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b, they are saying. Is it right or wrong? Just check. If just to consider a is equal to 30 degrees, just anything you can consider. B is equal to 60 degrees. See, sin of 30 plus 60 degrees is what? Equal to, they are saying sin 30 degrees plus sin 60 degrees. See, sin 30 plus 60 sin 90. Here sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is 1. Here 1 plus root 3 by 2. Here these are not equal. Then sin of a plus b is not equal to sin a plus sin b. Okay. Is it? This is wrong, you can say. This is wrong. Okay. Here is the complete of exercise 11.2.